I had to bring my mama to the bank and you know the drill. Parking, waiting, init, and I can't keep the car engine on the whole time. Dahil sa gas, kailangan magtipid. Good thing I had Goodyear 4000 milliampere portable mini fan with me. I already tried using it while waiting inside the car, and what I found out was that the wind was strong. Kahit napakainit sa loob ng sasakyan, I still felt comfortable. May sound siya but not distracting at all. I didn't even need to set it to the highest level. Even in the lower setting, the wind was already soothing and enough to keep me cool. It's versatile, super handy. I can dock it, fold it, hang it depending on how I want to use it. Whether I'm sitting straight, reclining, or switching positions inside the car. Kaya if you also find yourself waiting in the car, working on your phone, or just trying to stay cool without wasting gas, the Goodyear Dock Mini Fan is a smart must-have.